Best pineapple dessert in the world. To start our recipe, I will add 1 whole pineapple cut into cubes in a pan. I'll add 3 cups of water and then add a cup of sugar. I will stir a little so that the sugar is diluted in water and sweetens our pineapple. I have no doubt that this recipe will surprise you. Now I'll let our pineapple cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will remove the pan from the heat and add 25 grams of pineapple jelly. Stir again until all the jelly is mixed in our recipe. I'm sure you and your family will love our dessert. Do it at your house and then tell me what you think. Now I will add 200 g of heavy cream. I will stir until all our heavy cream is added to the recipe, leaving it very creamy. I doubt you tasted any pineapple dessert as good as this. Finally, I will add 400 g of condensed milk. I will mix until the condensed milk is fully incorporated into our recipe. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Caroline Ellers from the UK. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Guys, tell me if you have any other recipe with pineapple, heavy cream and condensed milk. I'll love to know. Whenever I make this dessert at home, there's nothing left. I'm going to pass our dessert to a form and I'll arrange it a little with the help of a spoon. Guys, I'm sure this recipe will be part of your routine too. Now I'll take it to the fridge and let it freeze for 2 hours. Okay, look how incredibly delicious our dessert is. See that with few ingredients we have an amazing dessert to eat after our meals. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you how to make this wonderful recipe. Make this recipe to take that family Sunday lunch. I have no doubt that will be the highlight of the dishes. Your friends and family will ask you to teach them how to make this delicious dessert. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I see you in the next video. Bye!